Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So my name is Nolo. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. In this channel we make a lot of DIYs, but we also touch here and there with beauty and lifestyle box. So to begin with, we're gonna begin with our bead. This is 10 mm crystal. People call it sugar beans, I don't know, but these beads. Okay, then we're gonna start also with our 0.6 thread. So this is how I normally measure it. When I take it and wrap it around. So I'm gonna wrap it around for 15 times because it is just the handle. Okay, then you cut with our scissors. Okay, so today's video is going to be about how to make a round handles of our beaded bags. Okay, so yeah, without a waste of time, let's start. You're going to take 4 beads and put it in any side of your thread, any side that you like, that you prefer. Then you use this last one to cross them over like so, and you pull. Okay, so this is how it's going to be. Then you continue with the same thing until we have 20 of this. Okay, so we're gonna go with our 3 beads, put in any side, put 2 in one side and put 1. Then we use this one over here to cross. Then you pull. Okay, like this. Then we're gonna continue with the same thing until the 21 of it. Okay, so now we have 1 2 3 until 19. So we're gonna make our 20th one and we 10, right? So making our 10, we're going to take 3, put in any side that you prefer, either left or right. You put all the 3 inside. Then you take your thread, the one that is on the right, you put it on your last bead that you put, right? Then you pull both your threads until it's firm and tight. Okay, I don't know if you could see that it's now at here, and we have to make sure that it goes back until we come to this point, right? So we're gonna put another 3, put in the thread that is on top. The top one, I mean this one is a down one. We're going this way, so it's a down one. This one is a top one. So we're going to put all the 3 on the thread that is on the top. Then you cross with the another thread as well. Then you pull both your thread firm and nicely. Make sure that it's very firm. Okay, so now since we have made our 10, we're going to make sure that what we did here, we're also going to make it here. Okay, by taking this thread that is next to these beads always and put it on this bead over here. Then you pull it Okay, and on this thread that is here, you're going to take 2 beads and put it. Then you use this thread that is here to cross it on this bead over here, like so, like that. Then you pull. Okay, so yeah, we're basically going to do the same thing until we reach here at the end. Okay, so now that we are at the end, we are about to now seal our handle. Okay, you're just gonna see what I mean just now. Let me put the last bit. Okay, then you pull. Okay, so if you could see, it's just only 2 rows. It's just 1 and 2. Okay, and on the longer side is 20. Okay, so because we're trying to make this our round handle, right? So what is happening here is that it's in a triangular shape. Okay, I don't know if you're gonna see that, but let me try to show you what I mean. You see the side is flat, and also on the side is flat. So wait, okay, let me fix it because I'm the one who spoiled it just now. Okay, and you see that there is like, it goes like this. Okay, it goes like this. So this side, it goes on top, and this side goes on top, and this side is just a flat side. Okay, so it means it's a 3 side, and here we have 1 and a 2 side. So we now making our 3rd side. Okay, so this is where we end it. This is where we end it. Also, when we join onto our bag, we're going to use the same thread to join. Okay, so yeah, let's finish our bag. So what I mean now is we only have 1 2 side, right? So we're going to bend it. So it's 1 and 2. We're going to bend it over here on this bit in the middle. Okay, snap, 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 snap. I believe this is an easy way. After this, there's no any other way. I'm joking, guys. There's other methods that other people use. If you like that also, I can show you that. Okay, but for me, I believe in simplicity. Make things easier and don't complicate things, you know. After all, we're achieving the same thing. Okay, so I don't know if you see that it's kind of like V. Okay, let's look it from here. Let me try to focus. Okay, now it's like a V, right? So now we are closing this opening. Okay, now we are closing this opening, and remember that our thread ended here. So the one that is on the top, I always say this is the top, this is the bottom, right? So the one that is on the top, we're going to take only 1 bead and put on that. Okay, let me use my right hand. Okay, we leave this thread here, we focus on this one. Then on the very same thread, you're going to put it over here. Okay, this one, this bead that is just an opposite. You put it over there. Okay, it's going on up. Then you pull. Okay, so let me just make sure that it's firm. It's not jiggling here. Okay, so now that it's like this, remember we do flowers or foam, it's just 1 2 3. So now we're going to put one bead to hold these two together. Okay, going to take one bead again and put any other one, then you use another one to cross, then you take both your ends, then pull. Okay, like so. So if you could see here, it's a triangle. It's a triangle over here. So as I was saying, you see, this way, then this way is flat, like this, and here is like flat. I don't know if it makes sense, but it should do something like this. That side should be the crown, this side should be the flat side. Okay, yeah. So we're going to take, I'm sorry for that, I'm going to say this thread and put it over this bead, and this thread and put it over this bead, then use one bead to close. Okay, like so. And so, and use the one bead also, put it on your thread, then use another like so, then you pull. Okay, yeah. So I don't know if you could see, let me try to focus. Okay, let me take it down because it's too light for us. Let me take it down a little. Okay, so yeah, I don't know if you see what I'm trying to do over here. It's closing already. There's other method. This is my simplest way. I believe in simplicity, as I've said. So yeah, let's complete the same thing, then I'll show you how to like join them together. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so we're now going to put the last bit. I don't know if you could already see that it's trying by all means to like bend itself. Yeah, because triangle is easy when you're trying to do the handle that is bending, other than like the square one when you just want to have like a our flower has to have like 4 petals, as I always say. Then you use one bead to lock everything. Then we're going to do the last one. Okay, now I think it should come out on this side. Okay, so you're going to take the same thread, put it over here,